Hello everyone, this is Tutul and you are watching Codies. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can connect your GLM coding plan or coding model to Claude Code. To do so, you must install Claude Code in your system. If you do not know how to install Claude Code, you can see our previous video or from the I button. Just click on it. After installation of Claude Code in your system, then we have to go to the documentation page of ZAI and search for Claude Code. And also you must need a paid subscription of ZAI coding plan to connect your GLM model with Claude Code. I already had that. So go to the documentation page. Here you can see the step-by-step guideline of how we can connect. Here you can see in the step 1, you have to install the Claude Code, which is already installed in our system. If you don't install it, no tension. Just install Node.js and Git. After installation, just copy this command npm install z Anthropic AI Claude Code. Here you can see, copy it and paste it in your PowerShell or your Git bash. Okay, after that, just move forward to the step 2. And here you can see config GLM coding plan. For this, we must need a API key. Where you can get the API key? Just go to the ZAI API section and create a new API key. I already created a new API key. If you want to create, just tap on the create a new API key and give it a name, and that's it. Copy the API key. After that, we need to configure environment variable. For this, we have to run this command npx@ZAI coding helper. So by coding helper, we will connect our GLM API key through Claude Code. Just copy this command and paste it in our PowerShell. Hit enter and you can see the coding helper. And then you have to select a lot of things. First of all, interface language, set that to English. And then coding plan, you have to navigate that from upper and lower key in the keyboard. Go to the coding plan, hit enter and select GLM coding plan global. After that, you have to set the API key. You can see API key or update API key, hit enter. And then you have to paste the API key, which you already copied from our API section. If you fail to paste here, no problem. Just click on the PowerShell icon and go to the edits and tap on paste and then hit enter. It will validate the API key. After that, you have to select where you can configure. So we can configure it in Claude Code, select it and then apply the configuration, hit enter. After that, it is applied successfully. Then we have to select start Claude Code for using GLM. Okay, navigate that and hit enter. We successfully connect our GLM coding plan with Claude Code, but the model not showing in our Claude Code. For selecting GLM model in Claude Code, we have to change the setting.json of Claude Code. For this, we have to open file manager and go to local disk C or where your Windows is installed. Then open users folder and then your targeted users folder. Then you can get .claude folder. If you don't get the dot or hidden folder, click on view and turn on the hidden files or hidden item. Then click on the .claude folder and you can get a setting.json file. In the setting.json file, right click it and open with Notepad. Here you can see we get a JSON code. We have to paste a JSON code here. For this, we have to copy it from our documentation page, which I already copied. Paste it here and we have to cut this section and paste that inside the environment. So we have to paste it here. Just give a comma and paste it here. And we have to remove the other garbage. Okay, save it by Ctrl S or from file save. Close it. Now we have to open Claude Code from a project folder. So let me open it from a project folder. We want to open our Claude Code in this project folder. So right click it and look for open git bash. So yes, here if we type Claude, then you can see we get GLM 5 turbo model. As simple as that. If we want to chat with our Claude Code, just type hi, and yes, we get the result. That's how we can connect GLM with Claude Code. I hope you get it. Thank you for watching.